Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to disable or how to turn off audio track on YouTube. So to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. At first, you have to go to YouTube, as you see, and you will click. After that, here in this page, you can choose any video. For example, this video here. For example, they show you auto tapped like this page here. So this video, it contains auto track, as you see here.
Abonnez-vous à cette chaîne et développons-nous ensemble.
As you see in this video, she talked in French, but the original video is in English and not in French. So if you are not speaking this language of auto track, for example, this language of French, and you want to listen to the original video, you have just go to this sign.
D'accord. Maintenant,
Like this sign of settings. You will click here. In this page, you'll find this list. You'll find here audio track, and you click on this sign. And here, as you see, you will find auto tapped or audio track in all these languages. But if you want the original language video, you will click on English original like this. So when you turn on this video, you will find it in the original.
On YouTube, you see these options. You see public.
You will find it to the original language, as you see here. So this feature will help you to not seeing the video in other languages that you cannot speak, but you can see it in the original language, especially if it is in English. So that's it. I hope this video can help you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.